Hello. Are you the taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Hello. Are you Sarah?
Yes, that's me.
Nice to meet you. Where would you like to go?
I want to go to City Mall.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, thank you.
Shall we start?
Yes, please.
Is this your first time in this city?
Yes, it is my first time here.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. It looks very busy.
Yes, especially in the afternoon. Many people are going to work or shopping.
How long will it take to reach the mall?
About 20 minutes if the traffic is normal.
Okay, that sounds good.
Are you here for work or vacation?
I am here for a short vacation.
That's nice. The city has many good places to visit.
Really? Can you suggest some places?
Yes, of course. Central Park is very beautiful. Many tourists go there.
I like parks. I enjoy walking and relaxing.
It's the perfect spot for that. Then you will like that place.
Do you drive taxi every day?
Yes, I work 6 days a week.
That must be tiring.
Sometimes it is, but I like meeting new people.
That's interesting.
Every day I meet people from different cities and countries.
That sounds fun.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I like traveling very much.
What places have you visited?
I visited Delhi, Mumbai, and Hyderabad.
Those are great cities.
Yes, I enjoyed them a lot. Oh, the weather is very hot today.
Yes, summer is very hot here.
Do you have air conditioning in the car?
Yes, I will turn it on.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, my friends will join me tomorrow.
That's good. Traveling with friends is always fun.
Yes, we plan to explore the city together.
We are now close to the mall.
Oh, great. That was quick.
Told you. Yes, today the traffic is not too heavy.
That's good.
Here we are, City Mall.
Perfect. Thank you for the safe ride.
You're welcome.
How much is the fare?
It is 200 rupees.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Your driving was very smooth.
Thank you. I try to drive carefully.
I appreciate that.
Have a great day at the mall.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Goodbye.
Bye.